Right, I'm going to do some comparison videos. This is on basic 1. I don't know if you can see this. Basic 1. This is your standard basic settings. I'm going to do a large hammered coin, a medium sized hammered coin, a cut quartered hammered coin, a full silver Gothic florin, and a smaller silver, and an even smaller silver. So, right, I'm going to do, sorry, that's my phone. That's the detector picking my phone up, and I'll show you the screen on every one. So, this is your first, it's a hammered coin, Elizabeth I, 1500s. I noticed that it's really quiet. If you look at the top of the graph, it's just on the edge of the graph, so that's telling you it's really deep, and that's picking that up at around about 8 inch, which I think is quite good, really, to say that's one of XP's basic settings. Right, we'll try a smaller hammered coin. I'll put it back onto the control box for you. See how it's losing it there, but you can still hear the audio. Don't always go with your control box, always go with what you hear in your ears. That's picking that up. I'll go back to roughly about 7 inch. So don't forget, this is the basic 1 settings. This is just switch on. Version 4 basic settings. This is a cut quarter hammered coin, tiny little thing. See, there's nothing on the screen there, and that's picking that up at 6 inches. Right, we'll go with a small full silver Victorian 3p. Really small, this. That's 8 inch. I know the air tests don't give it judgment, but it's a rough idea for people what's just starting out metal detecting. Everybody's got to learn somewhere, and this is the only way I can kind of do it, to try and help. This is a Victorian, another Victorian silver. Don't forget, we're still in basic 1. So you've got 9.5 inches. Right, this is a Gothic florin. It's 18, I can't remember, 18 something. So it's quite old. These are nice to find. These are full silver. These. Right. And that's picking that up at 12 inches away. So, but you look at the screen. Look, there's a tiny little blip in the top right corner of the horseshoe, telling you it's really deep. That's 12 inches away. This is still in basic 1. If you press this button here, it scrolls on to the next program, which is GM Power. So we'll try it, GM Power. I'll move all the coins away and we'll try it. We'll start off with the hammered coin again. I have not touched anything on this. This is the standard factory settings. This is only an air test. That's picking that up at 9-inch. Small hammered coin, really battered. Between 6.5 to 7-inch. Cut quarter, tiny little hammered coin. Five and a half inches. Small little silver. We notice the tone changes as well. Silver tends to make the tone a lot higher. This is these two settings what I'm showing you now are in, I think they're either 2 tones or 3 tones. I'll put another one on in a bit, which is in full tones, and you can tell straight away with the difference. That's about 7.5 inches. Another silver. I mean, in the field, about 9 inches away that one is this time. Silver florin again. Some people don't dig numbers that high, 96s, because they think it's a big iron. But obviously it proves that it's not, because I'm just waving it in front of the coil. 12 inches away from the coil. So, right, I'll move to the next program. This is deus fast. This is one what a lot of people start with when they first start metal detecting. It's a good starter program if there's a lot of junk about. It's really good. So we'll start again. Move all the coins away. Let's start again. Right. We'll start with the hammered coin again. This is deus fast. Remember these settings. Remember these numbers, because they'll be roughly not much different. This might be slightly different in ground. It's about 8 inches. Smaller hammered coin. Five inches. Cut quarter. Deus fast is not designed for depth. It's designed for its recovery speed and good in iron. In areas where there's a lot of junk. 4 inches that one. See, the depth is reduced, but your recovery speed is a lot faster. Silver. Seven inches. A bit bigger silver. Eight inches. Back to your Gothic florin. Nine inches. You're not with deus fast. You're not. It's not about getting depth. It's all about recovery speed more than anything. Right. We'll move on to the next setting. Press this button for the next one. Right. Pitch. Pitch is one of its own. If you can master it, it's a really good. But a lot of people say it's a hard one to learn. But to be honest, I mean, I don't use pitch. I tend to use Hot program quite a lot, or Gary's Ultimate. So, but it kind of sounds a bit like Sooty. This is my opinion. Hammered coin. "7" smaller hammered coin. 6" cut quarter. About 4.5 inches. Small silver. Some people say it sounds like a strangled duck. That's about 7 inches. It probably does sound like a strangled duck, to be fair. Another silver. Probably 9 inches. Gothic florin. Probably 10.5 inches. Right, we'll move on to the next one now. Press this button again. Right, G Max. This is, in theory, this one's supposed to be designed for depth on pasture. So, but if you listen, it's really chatty. So off we go again. This is on 3 tones. It works on 3 tones, I think. 11 inches. Hammered coin. 7 inches. Cut quarter. 5 inches on a good day. Small silver. 9-10 inches. Another silver. Notice how the tone is getting higher. The more silver in the coin, the higher it. That's 11.5, 12 inches. Big Gothic florid. This should be a really high tone. 13 inches. Right, I'm just going to pause this because I'm running out of time for my YouTube video, so I'll put another one in a minute.